How to assemble an office chair from Rainbow Zebra. Start by opening the boxes and laying the parts out separately. Push the wheels into the 5-star base. Place the plastic modesty cover over the gas lift and insert into the base. Secure the mechanism to the bottom of the chair. Place the screws into these holes and tighten using the Allen key supplied. Sometimes this chair is shipped with the mechanism attached. If this is the case, you can ignore this step. Slide the metal securing plank into the back of the chair and screw it into place. You can then add the safety cover. The seat of the chair can then be placed onto the gas lift. Add pressure to ensure the mechanism has engaged. Now the chair bag can be slotted into the seat and screwed into place. Finally, slide the armrests into the seat of the chair and use the armrest screws to keep them in place. Voila! A Rainbow Zebra office chair assembled in under 10 minutes. The chair is now ready to use, with the instructions providing information on the function of the levers.